Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Jesus traveled from one village to another village by the command of Allah, and invited the people towards oneness of God, and asked them to prevent from any evil and oppression. Disciples were people who believed in Jesus' prophecy and the oneness of God and accompanied Jesus on these journeys. They never leave Jesus alone. They shared with him joy, sorrow, trouble and hardships. Jesus and his companions would stay in one village for some time, and when their work gets completed they move to another village. One day they arrived in a vast, arid and barren desert. As long as they were there, hunger and thirst made them impatient, which made them suffer, fatigue overwhelmed and exhausted them. Jesus encouraged them to be patient and not lose hope. The disciples believed in Jesus, and they had strong faith in him, but in this difficult situation it was necessary for them to increase their faith.
"O Prophet, is it possible for God to send food for us? We are starving."
Jesus was very surprised to hear this and said that if you believe in God, then what is the meaning of these words? Do you doubt even after seeing so many miracles?
Jesus, we believe in one God. We do everything for his pleasure. We believe in your prophethood. We do not doubt it at all. But tolerating this hunger and thirst is very difficult. Accept our word for God's sake. If you add this miracle to your other miracles, our faith will become stronger. Until now, all your miracles were related to this world, and the miracle we are asking of you is heavenly.
When Jesus heard the arguments of the disciples, he raised his hands towards heaven and said,
O God, O Creator of the heavens and the earth, send down for us food from heaven so that there may be a sign from you. You are the best of providers.
Everyone was waiting for what happened between Jesus and God. Allah accepted the prayer of Jesus and said,
O Jesus, I am sending food for you so that your friends may have more faith. But tell them that this blessing and food will not leave room for doubt. If anyone refuses after that, he will be severely punished.
Then Allah sent a table spread from heaven which contained various foods. The disciples were very happy to see the food. Jesus kindly said to them,
O disciples, thank God for this food that God has sent. It will increase your good deeds.
They ate heartily and told other people about it. Because of this miracle, a large number of people believed in the prophecy of Jesus.